In the next 1 to 3 years, where do you see the most opportunity for value creation within the industrial ecosystem?
Well, there is a lot of software out there to help industry address many different problems and processes that they have. But I think one of the most impactful areas is around asset performance management. It's understanding your big equipment, the health of it, and predicting when it needs maintenance. Because really big equipment, whether you're in oil and gas or power, or airplane engines, train engines, any type of manufacturing, this big equipment is some of the biggest expense in your business and vital to your business, right? So basically, if you have an outage on some of your big equipment, last minute, fixing something last minute, it's really expensive. It's much more cost effective if you can plan that. If you have an outage, you have lost productivity, lost money from downtime, or increased costs because you have to pay overtime to meet orders that you've already promised, or energy demand, or whatever your sector is, right? So maintaining your equipment is one of your biggest expenses and one of the most vital parts of your business. So asset performance management software can help you to understand the health of your equipment and predict its maintenance needs. Therefore, getting rid of the need to have rotas on a regular basis that might actually be wasted because the equipment didn't need maintenance at that time and might not prevent an outage at the time when it did need it. So it's predictive maintenance and deploying AI to understand your large equipment. That's the biggest win over the next 1 to 3 years for industry.
And tell me more, how has GE been working in that space? How have you been helping clients deal with these types of challenges and drive savings within their business?
So effectively, it's a pretty simple formula. You put sensors on equipment, you pull the data from it, you deploy machine learning, artificial intelligence, and you get more and more data over time and get smarter and smarter to understand exactly the state of that individual equipment. You can deploy all sorts of software like digital twins, which is our replica in the cloud of that actual object, so you really know exactly what's happening with that object. And you can do this for any type of equipment out there, for an individual engine, an individual piece of equipment in a plant, or an entire plant.